Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Shiba Inu only path to $1, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at it and see exactly what will it take for Shiba to do this crazy thing that a lot of people want to see. $1 Shiba, 1 penny Shiba, 10 cent Shiba, any of that. We'll take it. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at it and see exactly what's in our way. So here's Shiba Inu only path to $1. Shiba Inu rose to prominence during the retail investor frenzy in 2021. We know Shiba Inu has seen a return over 43 million%, guys. Ain't no asset class, no investment ever that you can compare to make you the amount of money that Sheep has made people in the period of time that it has done it. Even in a little longer period of time, you could bring up an asset class that may have took double the time, triple the time, even quadruple the time, and it still wouldn't compare to Shiba Inu. If it is, we'll wait for you. Bring it on down to the comments. Let us know exactly what it was, guys. But anyway, Shiba Inu is up over 43 million%, guys. Crazy run for Shiba. And the thing about it is, before we get into more details, as I've been telling people for a while, what shocked me the most is the fact that Shiba ran up, and seen astronomical returns in a short period of time, and is still holding the line at those levels. I mean, we down 89% from our all-time high. But guys, that's a drop in the bucket compared to how much we done ran up. 89% is nothing. So we still basically hovering around the all-time high. They're basically being for the fact that we, only dropped, not even a grain of rice. That's how much we dropped compared to how much we ran up. So we basically hovering around the all-time high, showing us that sellers and buyers had came to an agreement for this long extended period of time that this is basically a fair price for Shiba. After this crazy run up, it's showing many people is not, cashing in, selling, they holding. Like, I'm good, I'm chilling. I expect more out of this. So that's what it's looking like, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, because this thing could get even crazier. Being for the fact of the performance it has done and the way it performed, and still holding its own, still holding up through the madness. So let's go ahead and take a look at it a little further, guys. So in dollar terms, that means if you invested $2.29 in Shiba in 2021, you will have turned that $2 into $1 million, guys. That's insane. $2? Anybody in the world could have been a millionaire. Everybody in the world could have been a millionaire. Just let that sink in for a second. You would have been buying it as a lotto ticket, right? Everybody would have bought it as a lotto ticket. Nobody expected the joke, Dogecoin killer, to actually do what it did. But if everybody would have been laughing, key, and putting like, hey, I put $2 in it. You know how people do. Key, I put $2 in, I put $5 in it. Yeah, we'll see whatever it do. If everybody would have did that, everybody in the world would have been rich, guys. That's just crazy to think about. And you might be like, everybody wouldn't be rich. Everybody don't got $2. Think about it, guys. Man, think about it. Even the homeless people get $2 every day. You get what I'm saying? Not to, talk about anybody, nothing like that. Just saying everybody got access to $2. That's what blows my mind. You can just ask somebody, hey, let me get $1. You'll get $2 to put in it. So anyways, guys, in the same $2.29 invested in Bitcoin, guess what you would have had? $3.65, a 59% return. Bitcoin still did, exceedingly well. 59%, that's 5-6x what the stock market would do, but it only would have turned that $2 into $3. We can't do nothing with $3, man. We can't do nothing with that. But much of the air has come out of Shiba Inu since hitting its all-time high of 0.000089. We just want to say the end number to keep it simple. Back in October. In fact, it's down 86% from that point to 12 now today. So the Shiba Inu community is still hopeful for a surge. So what really stands in the way of Shiba Inu rocketing towards $1? So the main thing that's in Shiba Inu's way from reaching $1 is Shiba circulating supply. Shiba has over 589 trillion tokens that's currently circulating, meaning it's making Shiba Inu, less valuable because it's so many of them. Like, anybody can have access to you, Shiba. I need you to be more superior. I need you to get rid of some of those tokens, so then it could become more valuable with the ones I'm holding because more people want to buy in because they see exactly, they getting less and less and less. It's less SHIB that's circulating. Instead of people selling, they want to continue to hold SHIB because it's going to cost them more money to rebuy in the future when the supply is steady decreasing, making the price more, more expensive, more valuable, guys. So at the current supply though of Shiba Inu, it would be, impossible. It would never happen for it to reach $1 if that supply don't go down. Then for the fact that Apple is the world's largest company until they got, beat out by the oil company since what's going on. So anyways, before though, Apple, everybody familiar with Apple and not the oil company. So we're going to use Apple as the example. You would have to be, Shiba Inu would be 264 times bigger than Apple. 264 times bigger than Apple, the world's largest company. That's not happening unless that supply come down. Also, another example for you would be every individual in the world, every business, every bank, every government, all the money that we have, the world money, all the money that's in the world right now on Earth, is about $467 trillion, roughly. Nobody knows exactly how much money is on Earth. These just the facts that's out there. $467 trillion that's circulating supply. The circulating the money that's on Earth right now. All that money would have to go into SHIB. And when it does, SHIB would still only be worth 73 cents if everybody in the world invested all their money in SHIB, bought it all up. It will only be worth 73 cents, guys. So put that into perspective. And not saying only worth, because if at 73 cents, people would be, be rich. But just saying it would take that. It would take all that. Not even 1% of the world, not even 0.001%, not even 10%. Everybody will have to put in. So that's exactly why we need to burn, guys, so we could get to where we're going. But me personally, how do I feel about SHIB? I feel great about SHIB. Only reason I sold my SHIB, everybody know, it's not a secret. Only reason I sold my SHIB was because I knew the drop was coming, and the drop happened. I just missed it for me to reload because it happened at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm getting my nap in, my sleep. So I couldn't get it when it showed 5 zeros instead of 4. And that's my target, my rebuy entry. So like I say, guys, nobody can, perfectly time any type of markets, anything. But from my knowledge and experience of the market, I try the best, in my opinion, to see exactly why I believe the asset or the security is going to go next. And, we call that pullback. Like I say, I do believe it could possibly go back down to that level again. That's why I didn't rebuy yet. I'm waiting for it to come out of this consolidation period before I make my next move. I do want to get it with 5 zeros showing though, guys, and who knows, once it get there, it could drop a little more because people will get scared. But I don't think the drop will, sustain. It will quickly reverse, in my opinion. So you already know, guys, what to do. Add me over there on Instagram at the B Head Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.